Okay, so I already got up to this point. Well, damn, this is overlapping each other.
Let's do it over then. Whatever, which one's the good one?
No, it like started off at a weird spot, but I'm back. Okay. So I'm gonna teach you guys a quick little trick too on how to find good images for Photoshop on Google. So I'm just gonna teach you guys a couple tricks as well when searching the internet, trying to find images that you can manipulate with Adobe Photoshop. So basically, dang, did I just already go through that? No, I didn't. The design that I'm going to create today is based off like a little playing card. Pretty simple, easy design that anybody can just put together. And you see, like, I'm just scrolling. I'm trying to find the part where I did the like settings thing, but it's just like a lot of footage of me just scrolling through photos. That's where I did it. Okay. I want to show you guys a quick little trick on how to find larger size images and how you can tell what size images are kind of on Google just by looking at them before you guys rip them off the internet and waste your time. Also, like, you can always just type in PNG like files and you'll find files that have already, like, how do I explain it? On Photoshop, the background just be invisible or more like transparent, not invisible. You can find images like that pretty easy. But if you go over to the tools section under the search bar on Google, like on the page, you go to size and you go down and type, well, you don't type it in, you click large and it'll sort the photos out, so therefore the largest images are at the top of the page, so you don't really waste your time looking at tiny images that will not look good in the final result. But yeah, just more me like trying to find what images I want to use. And basically, if you're using a Mac, you can just double click your trackpad and it's easier to save images like that off of Google and just save image as if you're having trouble with that. Okay, so back to Photoshop now that we have our, I'd say like stock images that we're gonna use to create this like quick blanket design. Just put the name in to save it as so I don't get lost in my files. So back over, you see our template, and now we're gonna open a file, not create a new one, but open. So I'm gonna click the open suggestion, and it's gonna basically pull up your Finder key kind of, and you're gonna be able to go through your files and pick which ones you want to open in Photoshop. So I'm going to go grab and see. I forgot that was in there. It says like huge porn files. I forgot that we put that in the video. But anyways, yeah, I opened this up basically, and I didn't end up using it, but this right here is the basic format.